Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Agoda Cashback rewards. So let's dive in. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your web browser and navigate to www.agoda.com. Click on the sign in button, which is located at the top right corner, and enter your login credentials. Once you're there, in the search bar, enter your desired destination, travel date, and number of guests, and click search to view available accommodations. So in the window in this window that will be displayed shortly, look for listings that mention cashback rewards or similar promotions. Now, these offers are typically highlighted in the listing details. All right, so let's go ahead and look for per night spotlight offers. Let's go ahead and search. All right, so just go ahead and, of course, after looking for the exact hotel or property that you're looking for, that you want, just go ahead and click on it. And once you click on that listing, it's going to take you to the property details page. This is where you're going to see the deals that they make available, and most especially cashback rewards in this sense. So just go ahead and look for listings that mention cashback rewards or similar promotions. Now, these offers are typically highlighted in the listing details, which I said. So stuff like this, once you open up a listing, you're going to see stuff like this. View this deal, and I'll click on it to see what the deal is about. Now, here are rooms that have those deals. So here we have rewards and discounts. So as a VIP member, you receive a larger discount and you receive rewards as well. And here also has rewards and discounts for VIP members. That's VIP deals. You will see that not all the rooms actually have that with VIP rewards and discount tags attached to it. So just go ahead and find the one that has rewards and discounts. And once you've identified the property offering the cashback rewards and discounts, you can go ahead and click on book now to complete the reservation process. Now, after completing your stay, Agoda will process your cashback reward. This typically occurs 60 days after your checkout date, allowing time for the property to confirm your stay. So it means you have to be a VIP member for you to claim this reward, actually. And you receive a notification when your cashback is ready to be claimed. Once notified, log into your Agoda account and navigate to the My Rewards section. Here, you will see your available cashback balance. Click claim now and follow the prompt to redeem your cashback. These funds will be credited back to your original payment method, such as your credit card. So that's what it's like. Now ensure that you can head over here to cashback rewards, and once you click on cashback rewards, that's where you're going to see your reward balance. Now, ensure you use a credit or debit card for your booking, as some cashback rewards may not be available for alternative payment methods. And some users have reported that selecting USD as a cashback currency can provide more flexibility in redeeming rewards. So always review the terms and conditions associated with cashback offers, as they may vary between properties. So here you go. So you can come over here to this cashback reward balance, 0 literally. So you can come over here and click on search for deals. And once you click on search for deals, it's easier for you to find deals that offer cashback rewards, stuff like that. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.